This guest is here. Oh, look at that. 10. It's another day. I'm back home. I'm stuck in traffic. Imagine I've been waiting for a dump. Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're all doing good. It's another day, another vlog. Yay! Today I'm doing a day in my life, part 2, seasons. Part 2, yeah. The first time I did, you guys loved it. Oh my gosh, wow. Imagine, now I'm doing a part 2 and we have another guest on my vlog today. Yay! She is literally one of my fans and my friend, my TikTok friend. Yeah, I've never met her in real life, but then tunanganga ko IG, ko TikTok. Yeah, we're gonna meet guys, so let's see who the guest is today. Yeah, and actually I have a class before and I'm literally late. I don't know what time it is, but I had 30 minutes the last time I knew. And yeah, I'm actually حتى بحالة لها إنديقة موجودين عند كولا مرصدة وحكو قرنايا عندها I'm literally not feeling well, you know. So yeah, let's go guys. Yes, let's spend the day together. I was literally stuck in traffic. That's why I'm late. Oh my gosh, I think I'm 40 minutes late even. You can believe it. ما تجي قدام يحرني. I feel in a weird. Yeah. Imagine the class was postponed to 10, I think 10:30, and then I have 30 minutes and then I got myself off here. Jeez, I'm literally so hungry. Yeah, the class is done. I'm gonna go pick up something I ordered from Instagram and then yeah. Gosh guys, I'm so excited. It's the sunset lamp. Imagine, I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Yeah. So cool. Imagine I've been waiting for a bus for almost like 30 minutes plus and I'm in the middle of the road. I don't know why they're not working, but today for us not working. It's so busy and packed. Kwani leo ndo mmeamua kwenda mahali.
Kwenye mimi ndo nime plan. Kwenye mimi ndo nataka kwenda mahali.
Who it is. Oh my god. We can be serious together. I'm trying not to laugh. Hey, say something.
Hi guys, it's Amran.
Guys, she's shy.
I'm so shy, right?
I know, right?
It's our first time meeting.
Yeah, by the way, yeah.
Clicked like instantly. MashaAllah.
By the way, to make Karak and Go and we ordered something.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you guys when it arrives. It's already here.
Yeah. It's already here, bro. You know, like I really wanted the stickers. This is like actually my first time going to Karak. Wallahi.
Wow.
My sister was like, oh, you need to try Karak and Go.
Wallahi, Tena. I never thought itakuwa siku yako ya kwanza.
It's my first
It's
time.
her first time. No way.
Let's see if the hype is like.
Yeah, okay. Another time, another matcha gali. I'm not. She's the other matcha bado. Everyone is convincing me to come to matcha. Okay, matcha is. Every time this thing passes, lazima matcha.
Absolutely, you know, it's like my fourth time trying matcha. Have you seen my series? By the way,
Oh,
guys.
yeah.
I'm doing a series in my TikTok.
Yeah. I'm gonna put our TikTok here. Make sure you follow. Let's try. By the way, today I ordered what is it called? Karak with the rose.
Yeah.
It's pink, guys. It's not. Okay, and she ordered.
I ordered iced vanilla matcha with vanilla foam. Okay, let's try it.
Okay, let's try together. So excited! It's been 2 months since I came to Karak and ordered something from them. I literally love their Karak, but then I never tried the rose Karak. So,
Oh, you tried like the Karak?
like every time, like they order
Always the Karak.
Karak.
Oh my god, I need to try Karak.
Yeah. How do you have to record content for the day? So I did TikTok. So I already like, guys, continue to record something. Yes. Let's try the rose Karak and then
The matcha.
vanilla. And then with the colfon vanilla. No, colfon ZICO vanilla.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's try together, guys. Yeah. I've never tried the rose. I'm so excited. How is it? It's hardly the rose equal to a bit equal like so the Karakandgo. No, Karakandgo rose equal to a bit.
It's nice.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah,
nice.
it's
I'm
nice.
not saying it's bad.
Actually nice.
It's so nice. I like it. Let's try the matcha.
Matcha. Yeah. Let's try the matcha.
Unajuanga how new. Ibu ikoje ama
Let's try the matcha.
Hey. How is it?
It's nice. Wallah, it's nice.
Oh, okay. Maybe the last time you did try it, kwanga na the yeah, salted. Oh, salted. Yeah. Kwanga your sauce. Try this try.
It's actually nice.
I think we should mix.
Oh, you can taste the matcha.
Yeah.
Because the foam is up here.
Yeah. Okay, one. Go.
I can taste it like matcha.
Last time it was vanilla, but we called from India. It was salted. Salted chili. I don't remember, but salted.
That was actually like better than this.
But like in Hadi, I would give it 8.
9.
And this one?
10.
10. Kabsa. It's so good. We'll see you guys. Tukishamaliza.
Yeah.
Bye. Guys, we ordered cookies. Wacha niwaonyeshe.
It's actually
Yeah,
so big.
right? Everything is from there like yeah.
And it's just 170.
Imagine, I'm wondering, Hadi. Imagine, like maybe one
It's
day.
300.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Yeah. Should we? To us. Ungefanya Hadi to us here. We are doing to us, if you know that.
Yeah.
And 1, 2, 3. To us. Yes. breakfast. I wanted to finish this up. Bye guys, I'll see you guys later. Guys, I just got back home. Oh my gosh, I want to show you guys the sunset lamp that I got. Oh my gosh, it's gonna turn out so good. I can't wait. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, by the way. I'm so excited to try. Oh my gosh. Yo. First is the remote. And then we have the actual lamp, and then we have the stick that is gonna stick, and then we have this. Let's put it together. How it's gonna, yeah, it's like this. I was wondering how is it gonna fit. I'm so excited. Wallahi billah, I'm so excited. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. It's here. Let me connect it. Let's connect. Don't mind that place is so messy. Guys, it's so messed up. Don't mind, please. Stop. No, stop. This is so cool. Guys, stop. Stop. This is amazing. No.
I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to use this. Oh, you're gonna remove this one. That's funny. Look at that, funny. Yes. Yo.
Blue, not bad. That is a combination. It's called white, but it's so cool. Stop. Yo, look at that. Look at the world. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah! Wow, it's amazing. Yo, stop. Yo. Okay, that's the end of the vlog, guys. I'll see you guys next week, inshallah. And hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And thanks for the love and everything. I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more vlogs.